Mitram and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. South Asia Maps is a education channel, intellectual Kshatriyas channel. This is your presenter, Dr. Reddy. South Asia Maps, I started to share my 4 decades of intensive study apart from my regular career in agriculture, biotechnology, crop breeding, plant breeding, bioinformatics, and so on. This is my passion, and I wanted to share the knowledge. The uniqueness of this channel is I will present all the information in the iconographic form, in the form of maps, images, and pictures. Those are the things will be very easily articulated into the audience mind. That means you spend little amount of the time and take away a lot of knowledge. Excuse me for my allergies. Mitronam, we are continuing our Telangana series. This is the part 13 of this series. Previously, we have delineated around about 22 or so geographic regions of Telangana, that is the physiographic regions, physical geography, the land forms, that is the mountains, rivers, plains, water bodies, ghats, and so on. How the habitat, Prithvi, Achala or Nischala, Bharat Mata looks like. If you understand the more of physiography, you will have a deeper understanding of the land and culture, economy, and society. That is the intention of putting this presentation for curious audience. Krishna Valley East region. Mitranam, before we looked at the in our Telangana series, Krishna Valley West, Godavari Valleys, and all so on. This is our Telangana series. I have posted similar series for the audience in, like that is the Haryana series, that is the Rayalaseema series, again Rayalaseema series, and again the Rayalaseema series. This is the Tamil Nadu series, and British Punjab series from 1849 to 1947, partition independence time. The Punjab series, the Kerala series, Maharashtra series, Himachal series, Bengal presidency, and so on. You can go and look all these presentations at my intellectual Kshatriyas channel. You can see the many presentations immaculately made for your intellectual pleasure, sojourn, enjoyment, and getting gnan, the knowledge that you can find at the South Asia Maps Reddy. The video is recorded around about 2024 March. There are around about 515 videos already posted for there for you to look at it. Excuse me for my allergies. This is our Krishna Valley West region. I will show this and I will read out this information. I will also take you through the actual regions in three-dimensional way so that whatever you miss here, you will get somewhere else. The Krishna Valley. The Krishna River, 1400 kilometers long compared to Nile, 6666 kilometers. Krishna River originates in the Mahabaleshwaram Plateau, that is in the Sahyadri Mountains, the Western Ghats, overlooking Konkana, Kanara, Malabar, and Venadu region, adjoining the Sindhu Sagar Ocean, that is Bengal. It joins into Ganga Sagar, Krishna River, at a place called Hamsala Devi village in Ganga Sagar. It enters Telangana. We have seen Gujrala village and crosses Srisailam Dam, Domalapenta, Eagalapenta, and Sundapenta villages. Srisailam itself is a small plateau where the famous shrines of Brahmaramba Devi and Lord Shiva resides. And our particular interest is where does this actual valley is not really a valley, it's a gorge essentially. So that is, we can say a broader Srisailam Dam to Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. That is the valley or gorge. Downstream is actually Sri Salem backwater. That's actually in the Kurnool Nandikotkur area. That doesn't cover. That comes in the western part of Krishna Valley. So you have to keep in mind when the dam was built due to gorge, a lot of water was pushed back. That is the Sri Salem backwater region. The borders are excuse me. This is the Sri. This is the region we are looking at. The valley or gorge east, the Srisalem Plateau, then Amrabad Hills here. Now downstream Nagarjuna Sagar Plateau, Amrabad Hills, and the other side you'll have Nallamala Ranges. Vinukonda Ranges I have not shown. Palnadu River Basin here I have shown. Gunlakamma Valley Basin I have not shown here. So these are the borders. So the area is the narrow gauge between the dam to other dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam here, Srisailam Dam there, and this is the areas. The Kondangal Taluk have a historical Palamuru district, Mahabubnagar district, Devarkonda, Arunachala in the Palnar region. These are the adjoining areas. You can see here the fascinating region. Again, always you have to remember the landmarks. This is the Ganga Sagar, somewhere here Hamsala Devi village, and of course this is the Nagarjuna Sagar reservoir. That means a small river called Peddavagu. The name is given to many rivers in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. You have to keep in mind the Peddavagu discharges into the backwaters of Nagarjuna Sagar. So this is the Krishna river, Tungabhadra river. You won't see it here, the backwaters of Sri Srisalam. Actual dam is present here. That is the Sri Sela Plateau region, because this is the Dindi river coming from the Mahabubnagar, Jetchala and Shadnagar areas of Golakonda Plateau. This is the southern Pedavagu that discharges into Krishna again. This is again one more Pedavagu. Dindi River is the historical border between Palamuru district, Mahabubnagar, and Nallagonda district. This is the Pedavagu. This is the Kanagal or Halia River. This is the Musi River. Of course, these are the Vinukonda mountains. This is the Palnadu basin here, Nallagonda basin here. The This is the Nalamala Hills, Vinukonda Hills, Gunlakamma basin here. This is the Ardavidu basin. This is the Ayanamukkala basin. This is Remedicherla basin here. I will show you in different perspective. Those basins are areas in other places. So again, sorry for that. We are looking at here. This is we looked at the western part of the Krishna River Valley, and we are looking the eastern part. Actually, not a valley, God, because the geography is very complicated. There are not many villages though, so it's not very easy to explain. Srisailam Plateau, Nalamala Hills, Gunlakamma, Vinukonda Ranges, Nalgonda Plateau or Peneplain or Plain, the Golconda Plateau, Dindi River is Hilia Kanagal River, Pedavagur is discharging into Krishna River. So again, this is not well populated, so but we can broadly say this is the where are they? Kodangal. Kodanagal or Kodangal, Achempeta areas, some parts of Macherla, Devarakonda, not exactly, Yerragondapalam, Atmakur Taluk. But I am giving the gorge areas or eastern valley areas adjoining historical taluks. Now there are mandals or many districts that I have purposefully kept them out of the purview of audience to make the things very simple, both for the domiciles of the Telugu states as well as outside. Again, you can see easily. So, whenever you see Nagarjuna Sagar, the river that discharges is Pedavagu. They named it wrongly here. Dindi is actually the border between Nalgonda district, Palamuru, Mahabubnagar district. That's actually Dindi river. So you can see the backwaters here. The dam will be somewhere here. From this area to sorry, I think I got it wrong. Maybe I lost it. Sorry. I for this. Sorry for the disturbance. I was not sure what I was looking. Anyway, we can go and look at this one. Yeah. So again, this is, remember the landmarks always. So this is the backwaters of Srisailam. This is the backwaters of Nagarjuna Sagar. You can see the Dindi River. Discharge, that's the traditional border between Palamuru, Mahabubnagar and Nalagonda. The river that discharges is the Pedavagu here. So the valley starts somewhere near the temple town of Sri Shaila, where Brahmaramba Devi and Mahashiv resides. So you can see the Sundapenta village and Eagalapenta. The dam is made here, but the backwaters will go back to maybe 10, 20, 30 kilometers west. So you have Ayanamukkala Basin, you have Ardhavidu Basin here, Ardhavidu Basin, Ayanamukkala Basin here, and you can see Remedicherla Basin here. This is the Nalamala range, this is the Vinukonda range, you can see Vinukonda town also there. And this is the Nagarjuna Sagar Reservoir. Along the river, this is the basin called, actually that is called, this is the river, the traditional boundary between the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So this is the basin again is called Palnadu Basin. We'll deal with it some other place. Again, you can see a different perspective. Sri Sailam backwaters, Nagarjuna Sagar. We are looking up this gorge, not actually a valley. The valley or gorge, you can see. From the where the dam starts and the dam to dam is the eastern part. Or broadly, you can say the outskirts of this reservoir also. So again, the geographical regions are not exactly the like the political division, so they overlap. So this is the Pulichintala project here. So the Nalamala ranges, this is the Ardhavidu near Kambam Cheruvu, Ayanamukkala Eragundapalam, this is the Remedicherla basin, this is the Vinukonda mountains, and you can see the Palnadu basin here. This is the part we're talking about. Again, we will see the different perspective here. That is the Nagarjuna Sagar. This is the Sri Salem backwaters. You can see the dam is somewhere here. This is the Dindi River. You can see that's the traditional boundary of the between Nalagonda and Mahabubnagar. Sorry, this is the Dindi River. You can see that doesn't discharge into Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar. The river. This is the Pedavagu River here, and east side of the, always remember, if you see Nagarjuna Sagar, southern portion is Dindi, the western portion is Dindi River, and eastern portion is Halia River or Kanagal River. Some of the, you can see the Kanagal River here, and Musi River, you can see the Musi River here. This is the Pulichintala project, means the Krishna River. This is the Palnadu basin. You can see the clear-cut basin. The rivers join here, rivers join here. The Nalagonda plains. How do you remember? You can also go back to, that means the Gunturu town here, Vijayawada town here. This is the Pulichintala project. You can see Srisailam Reservoir. Excuse me. This is the Ganga Sagar. Hamsaladi will be somewhere here. This is the Gundlakama River basin, you can see. Same in a different perspective again. The Vinukonda, and this is the Srisailam, this is the Nagarjuna Sagar here. This is the Gorge Valley, Srisailam or Krishna River Valley. We can see that. Ganga Sagar, so Hamsala Devi will be there. So that is, in a sense, today about the fascinating Krishna Valley, Purbi region, the eastern part, Turpu part. Mithram and Bandhvam, if you like the presentations, you can subscribe the channel. Also, please bring the information to the notice your friends, family members. And I will see you, Mitrulara, in other presentations on our fascinating Telangana series, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps.